So, ayan, good morning ulit guys. I would like to welcome you back again in my YouTube channel, Teacher Dex Channel TV. And of course, mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, do not forget to subscribe and press the notification bell button for you to receive the updates of my vlogs or my videos. So, today, I'll be discussing with you the kinetic molecular theory of gases. So, ano kaya yung kinetic molecular theory of gases? Okay, we are done with the sixth theory of gases. We are done with Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law, combined gas law. We have the Avogadro's law, and we have the ideal gas law. And this time, I'll be discussing with you the kinetic molecular theory of gases. We're talking about kinetic molecular. When we say kinetic, it is the movement of the molecules. It is the movement of the molecules which move faster based on their molecular mass. So I'll be discussing with you also how we're going to identify the molecular mass of each gases. So the kinetic molecular theory of gases, scientists formulated generalizations that explain the behavior of gases and are summed up in the kinetic molecular theory of gases based on their observations. The behavior of gases is determined by the behavior of its individual particles. The theory was formulated by using a simple model. Scientists were able to make a model of ideal gas, okay, on a theoretical gas. So ano kaya yung mga yon? Okay? So sabi nila, the particles of an ideal gas behave consistently in a predictable manner. It serves as a basis which attempts to explain the behavior of real gases. Based on the kinetic molecular theory of gases, a gas has the following characteristics. Gases, like any other states of matter, consist of very tiny particles, each of which has mass. Of course, they have mass. Gases are most likely empty space because of wide distance between these tiny particles, thus making gases compressible and have low density. The density of gases varies with changes in temperature and in other property, which is the pressure. Okay, the gas particles move rapidly in straight lines, travel constantly, and in random directions. Gases diffuse very rapidly, that allows two or more gases to mix readily when combined. Because of the wide spaces between gas particles, the force of attraction between them are negligible. Gas particles collide with each other or with the walls of its container, but do not lose their kinetic energy. Instead, it is only transferred to the lower energy particles, okay, and will continue to move. Energy is conserved in collision of gas particles. I'll be showing you how we're going to derive the equation of the kinetic molecular theory of gases. So guys, I'll show you now how we're going to derive the equation. Okay? Now, ang tanong is, we're talking about the speed of the molecular or the speed of the molecule of gases. Now, this time, we have kinetic energy of substance A must always be equal to the kinetic energy of substance B. And we say that kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv squared. So therefore, we're talking about it. So we have 1/2 ma va squared is equal to 1/2 mbv squared. We're talking about A and B, that is what we call the substance. So what are you going to do? We have to multiply it with to both sides. So, cancel na po yan, cancel na rin po yan. So, we have MA VA squared is equal to MB VB squared. Okay? So, what are you going to do? Hinahanap po natin is the speed. So, what are you going to do? We have to divide both sides. Speed, we have to divide both sides with MA. MA, we have VB squared. MA VB squared. So, cancel MA, cancel V squared. So, ang nangyari po, so we have VA squared over VB squared is equal to MB over MA. That is our formula. I repeat, our formula is VA squared over VB squared is equal to MA over the mass of substance B over the mass of a substance A. So we can also say that VA over VB is equal to the square root of mass of substance B over the square root of mass of substance A. So this is how we're going to derive it. But we're talking about the mass. The mass. How are we going to solve the molecular mass or the molar mass of each gases? So this time, I'll be showing you an example how we're going to solve the kinetic molecular theory of a gas. So, example na po ngayon. I'll be giving you one example only. So, we have here, okay, for number 1, we have substance A. We have here nitrogen dioxide, and substance B is carbon dioxide. Which move faster? Okay, which move faster? Is it nitrogen dioxide or the carbon dioxide? Okay, so first, we have to identify the molar mass. Molar mass of each gas. So, letter A, so we have N, we have O. This is 14, this is 16. This is times 1, this is times 2. So, this is 14, this is 32. So, we have 46 grams per mole. Okay? So, for substance B, we have here CO. So, this is 12. This is 16. This is 1. This is 2. So, this is, we have 12 and this is 32. So, we have 44 grams per mole. Okay. So, VA over VB is equal to the square root of mass of substance B over the square root of substance A. So, substitute square root of 46 grams per mole over the square root, this is 44, substance A, 44, and this is square root of 46 grams per mole. Cancel the grams per mole. So, square root of 44, okay, square root of 44. So, we have 6.63. And square root of 46 is 6.78. Okay? So, based on this example, which move faster? Is it substance A or substance B? As far as I know, we have substance B, it has already 6.78 molecules. Okay? While substance B, it has only 6.63 molecules. So, Substance A move faster compared to substance B. Substance A, it has already 6.78 molecules moving, while our substance B, it has 6.63 molecules that are already moving. So, mas mataas po ang 6.78 kumpara sa 6.63. So, substance A move faster compared to substance B. And that's what we call the kinetic molecular theory. We used the formula of the kinetic energy. So, that's all for today again, guys. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Teacher Dex Channel TV. And do not forget also to press the notification bell button for you to receive my latest updates or vlogs. Thank you and God bless.